Hello students, welcome to virtual learning classes of SLVEM School Jagapatnagaram and a very warm to everyone. This is your Valli ma'am addressing from SLVEM School Jagapatnagaram dealing with the subject English of class 6. Okay children, in this video I am going to talk to you regularly, just class wise I am talking with you guys. Why? Because 6th class system is new to you guys. Why? Because up to last year we are following race. From the 6th class we are going to follow our EP state syllabus. Okay, so that's why the books and the pattern, everything is new to you guys. Why? Because up to last year you are following the pattern of question and answers in English. From this year, you are going to follow the pattern of passages and question and answer. Of course, you are very well on doing passages. You also attempted Navodaya 2 on the last year. But this year, you are going on totally the pattern of passages mainly. Okay, children? Yeah, here is our books. Blossom 6 is our new edition of class 6, and here is the SM what we have regarding 6th class as per the syllabus of new textbook and new SM as per AP government. Okay children, so the most important thing in class 6 before going into the lessons is look at the textbook. Here I am opening the lesson. Look at the page. Here is our contents and everything. You all do know about this. And next, here is the list of our lessons. Are you visible here? Look at this. The first lesson is Clever Tenali Ramakrishna, and second one is The Snake Catcher, Little Hats. Like this, we have 8 lessons, 8 units. Here, the unit is 1, but in unit 1, we will get 3 parts. In every unit, we have mainly 3 parts. For example, here is unit 1. On unit 1, we have 3 lessons. We have mainly 3 topics: A, B, C. For every unit, we have 3 topics. From unit 1 to 8, we have each and every unit we have A, B, C. Okay. So we get mainly passages from these lessons. And one more thing is the A lesson already we discussed about, that is Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Second B, one more lesson we have. C, again one more lesson we have. Each and every unit have 3 lessons. So 8 into 3, 24 total we have. The 24 lessons includes many topics: poems, prose and normal lessons, listening, speak, pictorial representation. The lessons may be of several types and several aspects. Last year, you are simply a basic kids. From this class, from 6th class onwards, you are going to learn much more things. Yes. And in this, we have many predominant types. Okay. Now I will show you the textbook clearly. Look here. Yes. I am turning the pages. Look the video clearly. Here is our first lesson, Tenali Ramakrishna. This topic we called it as pre-reading. Yes, and After turning, look, this is the 1a, this is 1a continuation. Okay, look. After that, some vocabulary topics and some grammar is there. While turning, we have some topics regarding yes. Listen to the following story. Listening. This is 1b. 1b. First unit, B part. Next. This is, look at here, read it yourself. This is 1c. So in the first lesson, we have 3 parts. First one is Clever Tenali Ramakrishna, and 1b is an unexpected reward, and 1c is the 1,000 gold coins. The 1,000 gold coins. So, while coming into the exam paper model, first Roman, second Roman, third Roman, we have passages. We have passages. First Roman relates to all the A parts. First lesson A, second lesson A, third lesson A, fourth lesson A, just like that up to 8th lesson A, which comes on Roman 1. This is for 10 marks. Okay, second Roman relates to B part, 1b, 2b, 3b, just like that up to the end 8b, we may get this Roman, and this is for 5 marks. And 3b, third Roman also B, 1b, C. Third Roman also passages as usual, 1c, 2c, just like that up to 8c. Any unit they can take and give one passage to us. Okay, this is also for 5 marks. These all are passages. Passages in question and answer. And fourth Roman is own passage. Some general passage may give for 5 marks. Some general passage may give for 5 marks. Now count the marks. 10, 15, 20, 25. So totally you may get 25 marks from section A. From section A you may get 25 marks. And next I am going with section B, that is creative expression. Okay, creative expression is for 10 marks or 20 marks as per the convenience. The topics you may get on this section B is letter, conversation development. This is a new topic to you guys, that conversation development, you don't know about this anything. Conversation is nothing but communication. The 2 or more people talking with each other. The dialects what they are speaking comes under this conversation development. Okay, some notices. For example, last year we celebrated annual day, right? The notice will comes on your book, right? Announcement. And also many events we conducted, right? For example, we have holidays. For holidays also we may get a notice from management, right? So that notices and extra many more topics are there. This all comes under section B. Yes, I will show this to you guys. Look at the SN. Here we have our SN, study material. Okay, I am opening the study material now. Look clearly. Yes, why I am explaining page to page is this is new to you guys. If we have school, we will explain detailedly. But this is a live class, a corona time, a online class. We can't do much more than this. So I am explaining regarding video. Okay, contents we have, and I am turning the page. Okay, obviously it says as unit 1. But only unit 1 we have. In that unit 1, all the 3 parts given randomly. And we may get some confusion regarding this. Yes. Look at the picture. And here we have some questions. Questions are given on SM, but we didn't get question and answers on exam. Only we get passages. So there is no use of question and answer. Okay, student? Yeah, I'm turning the page. Look clearly. Obviously, they make you summary, the key points in a short way about the lesson. And we have glossary part. Glossary part in the sense meanings.